What's up guys, it's Mr. DS18 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to show you guys the Pro-B8.4, a new budget-friendly 8-inch mid-range suitable for those that don't have a big amplifier, don't want to change up your radio, but you want to upgrade your speakers, you want a little bit more sound. This is the solution to that problem. So, what is the Pro-B8.4? This is an 8-inch, 4-ohm, high sensitivity mid-range, capable of handling 70 watts RMS, 140 watts max power. It has a frequency response from 80 hertz to 10 kilohertz. Sensitivity is 94 dBs. That's high for an 8-inch Pro Audio mid-range. Now let's open it up so you guys can check it out. As you can see, I already have one installed on our display. So as soon as we show you some specs and show you the speaker, we'll head out that way. So, take this out of the way. We got a manual here, all folded up. Check it out. And let's get this. And so check it out, the Pro-B8.4. It has cloth, surround, paper, cone. It has the bullet, nice bullet, foam on the edge, easy butt connectors, DS18 stamped, Pro-B8.4, 8-inch mid-range speaker with bullet, 70 watts RMS, 140 watts max power, 4 ohms. Check out that baby. Beautiful. Real nice. Now, it's not that big, so for some of you that want to replace your door speakers, I come in with the built-in 8-inch. I'm pretty sure you can fit this guy in there. Now, we have one connected. We're going to check it out so you guys can see how loud this bad boy can go. Got a song picked out. Turn this on, and here we go. Check it out. So there you guys have it, the Pro-B8.4. I'm telling you guys, it sounds amazing. It has a nice deep voice. It has a nice thump to it. The mid bass is awesome. Now remember guys, this is 70 watts RMS, 140 watts max power, sensitivity of 94 dBs. It's a very beautiful mid-range. It has a 1.2 voice coil. Check it out. Well, there you guys have it. You know what to do. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.